Hey guys, I'm Funny Fly. If you can see, back there's figure from the game Doors. And this is not for the Doors But Bad game I'm gonna make. I might make a trailer on that. Um what the heck did I just grab? Um this figure is not the best figure. I definitely say that because look at this guy compared to this. What is this? Garbage. Wish.com. But for my standards, literally this is my standards. Me and baller. That's my standards. So, like, for this, that's pretty good. Oh, and I'm gonna be making a song soon.
Wait, maybe.
Only at 100 subscribers. So, yeah. But anyways, bye.